Yo, dude.
Stop recording me.
What's up?
Did you actually crash it?
Yo, it's Nutty Wolf and Jaybird. Dude, have you enjoyed your time doing some vids together?
Yeah.
Thanks. Jay, you enjoyed doing it?
Yeah.
It's been fun. What are you watching, dude?
I'm watching some Jake Paul.
He likes Jake Paul. He made a Jake Paul fan club. Look, it's Jake Paul. It's Jake Paul.
Look. Ash, stop recording, please.
What? It's Jake Paul.
Stop recording, Ash.
There's my PS3. So yeah, today has been a fun day. We did some good vids and we had a lot of fun, didn't we, guys?
Yeah. We did Charlie and it worked.
Yeah, we did Charlie. It was really fun. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Dude, say goodbye.
Bye.
There's a bye from Nutty Wolf. Jaybird, say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, subscribe to these YouTubers, Nutty Wolf, dude. Nutty Wolf.
Can you stop recording me watching?
And Jaybird.
Why?
And subscribe to Jake Paul.
Don't subscribe to Jake Paul.
Look, they're in the flower.
Don't subscribe to Jake Paul, guys. Don't listen to him. Don't subscribe to him. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.